Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And as we start the new year, of course, I've had many questions asked during the holiday season for why don't I have the October 2018 update yet, and what's happening with the October 2018 update. Did they fix the bugs? So we have numbers that came from one of the sources that always kind of gives us the different numbers of Windows 10 versions and how they basically how popular they are. So the rollout of the October 2018 update is still slow. As of December 27th, so that was between Christmas and New Year, the market share of Windows 10, so for all the versions of Windows 10, was at 6.6% only. So that means it's still rolling slowly. It was at 2% in the previous month. So 2 to 6% means they're still pushing it very slowly. That means majority of you still haven't seen it. Majority of you don't have it appear in Windows updates. It's still being probably pushed slowly to make sure that there's no major glitch. But I expect this is going to change. I would expect that by the end of January, we're going to have a major uptick in the October 2018 update progress. Because now they've, not going too fast, and because of the holiday season, it's not time for, major bugs to happen and have to fix because everybody is on vacation. But I think this is going to change starting probably next week. So 6.6% only of you guys are on this update right now. Now I get all the questions. Why don't I have it? I've got a new PC. It's only 6 months old. I should have it. It doesn't matter if your PC is brand new or not. This is absolutely has nothing to do with an update being pushed to you or not. Some old machines that from 6 years ago are getting the update, and some new machines that are just now out are still don't have it. And it's not a question of how new it is or not. It's a question of, is there something in your PC that they know is still not compatible? If it is, then you're not seeing this. They're using all that telemetry they get to see if you should or not have this update. So if you don't have it, don't worry. And like I always say, it doesn't matter. Don't go force it and don't push it. So somebody today in the comments said, well, I went to the update on the page and there I could get it. Everybody can get it from there. That's not where the problem is. The problem is if it doesn't show up in your Windows updates, it's because there's something that's not yet right. That means you don't see it in Windows Update unless you know what you're doing, unless you really want it and are capable of understanding that maybe you'll have to, go back if it doesn't work well on your PC. Just don't push it. There's really no need to push the October 2018 update. It has a few features. If you look at my reviews there, and I've talked about some of the new features, yeah, but it's not a urgency. Just hang in there. It'll be there at some point. One day you'll get an update and it's going to be pushed to you, and you'll have it, and that's it. But don't go and force it. It's a bad idea. We've seen over the last few releases of Windows 10 how pushing it actually exposes you to much more problem than if you just left it alone and come on its own. So don't forget that. And you look at my videos, you can see it here. I have it installed. Mine works well. As for the problems, a lot of people are saying, well, I still see tons of people saying there's tons of problems in it. Well, the majority of everything is fixed. If you have or if you see people with problems, well, that comes in the category of people that are in a, yes, there are problems, of course, on every release. It's impossible to have 0%. And because of the high number of Windows users, a small percentage of people having problem is a huge number of people. And the problem is the ones that have problems are the ones that you actually hear. The ones that are okay, you never hear from. So it will sometimes give a false impression of problems. The update as it is now, with the cumulative updates they've released with it, is actually pretty safe and pretty good now. It works well. Like I said, I've updated 5 PCs here. They're all okay. None of them has an issue or a glitch with it. And if you look at the comments on my channel, there are a few of you that have some issues, but for the majority of you, it went super well and have absolutely nothing to that's bad. So don't worry, you know. It's coming, and just don't force it. If you still don't see it, that's because there's something that still needs to be fixed before you are okay with this version of Windows 10. So just hang in there and let it, do what it has to do. And one day, you'll see it magically appear on your PC. So that's the state. And remember, 6.6%, that means the majority of you are still on the April 2018 update. There's no problem there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.